Make service booking application. Yes. Do you want to create your own application where a customer can book electrician, plumber, carpenter, beauty expert and much more? Providers can accept this booking and worker can go to the customer place and complete the booking. Customer can do all of this sitting at his home. Yes, then this is the video for you. Today we are going to discuss how you can start your own service booking application like big apps, Urban Clap, and start your own service booking business. In this video, we are going to discuss our Super Clap application and how you can start a business with this. In this application, you will get a user app, a provider app, a worker app, admin and 1 year free technical support. So yeah, let's get started and now let's understand our Super Clap application working. So this is the user application. User can log in. And as you can see, the user application support multi-language. You can have English, Arabic, any language you can add. And now you can log in by ID and password like this. You can also create a new account. And that is how you can easily log in our Super Clap application. Now it will ask your location and it will show you the services only available in your location. In this application, you can create the services category by zone. So only category which are available in your zone will be showing to you. And that's how you can choose your location automatically. And this is the user application. You can see it has all the features and categories just like Urban Clap or any big application. You can see all the banners, categories, services and much more. And now let's click on electrician. And now you can see the subcategories like fan repair and much more. And now let's click on a service. Now you can also choose the add-ons or options available in that service. Admin can create these services. Remember, these all services are controlled by admin. The providers are not adding them. Now you can choose the date and time you want the service on. So right now I'm choosing this date and time. You can also choose your location. From the saved address, it will automatically take your live location. You don't need to enter the address. It will automatically take your live location where you are. You just need to enter the street address, the contact person number and much more. If you are looking for an application like this, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com so we can help you the best. And now you can see the complete summary of your order. You can also apply a coupon code if there is any coupon code or any discount code available. And now you will accept the terms and condition. And now you will pay by COD or online payment. If you pay by online payment, you can have a multiple option on our application like Stripe, Flutterwave, Paytm, Paystack, Razorpay, SSL Commerce and much more. If you are an Indian client, Razorpay is good for you. If you are from Africa, Nigeria and other countries, then Flutterwave is good for you. If you are from USA or UK, then Stripe is good for you. For more, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen so our consultant can help you the best. But right now we are choosing cash on delivery. So we click on proceed to checkout. And now we make a booking. And yeah, that's how easily a user can make a booking by using the Super Clap application. And this is the provider application. The provider will receive this booking like this. He will click on the booking. He can see the complete booking detail, the customer name, what is the booking, what is the invoice, everything he can see. And now he will accept the booking. And like this, a provider can accept a booking by using the provider application. And that is how provider will receive loud notification whenever there is a new order. And now this is the user app. You can see your booking status. You can also see invoice and much more. You can see your complete bookings, your cancelled booking, everything on the user application. And now you can also have a chat with the provider like this. So this is our ready to launch service booking application with user app, provider app and worker. If you are looking for a complete service booking application, then this is the best step for you. And now this is again the provider application. And now we are showing how a provider will process this booking that he just received. So after the provider has accepted the booking, that is how every time there is a booking status change, the provider and the user both will get notification. And now the provider will assign a worker. Now let's see how the worker app will work and how a provider will assign the worker. And now that is how a provider will assign a serviceman or a worker who is working in his company. And now let's open the worker application. And this is the worker app. And that is how loud alarm notification the worker will receive whenever there is a new booking. And now he will click on the booking. He will click on ongoing. And that is how loud alarm notification provider and user will receive whenever there is a new status change in the booking. And now the serviceman, the worker who has actually went to the customer place to complete the service will now have a chat with the customer. For any discussion, he can have a chat with the customer. He can also see the customer complete detail, what is the booking, what is his number, what is his address, everything he can see. He can also see the customer has made booking by online payment or COD, and that is how he complete the booking and confirm he has received the cash payment, and that is how the user and provider will get the notifications. And that is how our ready-made service booking application SuperClap works. And now let me show you the other features of this application. That is how you can search any services on the application. It has complete booking sections like this, where you can see completed booking, all booking, cancelled booking, past bookings, ongoing bookings, everything you can see here. You can also see different offers and discounts available by admin. And you can also see multi-languages and chats and much more on the application. You can also have banners and much more on the application, and all of this is controllable by the admin. So this is the provider application showing you additional feature. The provider can subscribe to services that admin is having, and he can control which services he is providing. The services he will subscribe, that is the services he will get the notification for. And this is the provider app. He can see his total earnings, his total services, graphs and much more. He can also see his current recent bookings. He can also see his servicemen. He can add new servicemen from here, and he can also enable any serviceman. And that is all about our ready-made service booking application SuperClap. If you are looking for an application like this, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, so we can help you the best. In this combo, you will get a user application, serviceman application and a provider application with admin and a complete 1-year free technical support. This application is made on Flutter with PHP admin. For more, you can directly contact us so we can help you the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.